Welcome to this detailed overview of the HDFC MoneyBack Credit Card. If you're considering applying for this card or simply want to understand its features, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether this card is a good fit for your financial needs. Let's jump right into the key features of the HDFC MoneyBack Credit Card. One of its most attractive aspects is the Cashback Rewards program. You earn 2 reward points for every 150 Indian rupees spent online and 1 reward point on other retail purchases. Additionally, you can convert these reward points into cashback, which makes this card ideal for everyday spending. For online shoppers, especially, this card can be a great way to save. Another benefit is the renewal fee waiver. If you spend 50,000 Indian rupees annually on the card, the renewal fee of 500 Indian rupees is waived. This means if you're a frequent spender, you may avoid the cost of keeping this card active. Now, let's take a closer look at the costs. The HDFC MoneyBack Credit Card comes with a joining fee of 500 Indian rupees, which is relatively affordable compared to many other credit cards. However, it's important to note that while the rewards are appealing, the cashback value is capped, and you may not earn back as much as expected if your spending habits don't align with the card's reward structure. There are also charges to be aware of. For example, the interest rate on unpaid balances is quite high, around 3.49% per month. If you don't pay off your balance in full each month, those rewards can quickly be outweighed by the interest charges. Additionally, foreign transactions come with a 3.5% fee, which can add up if you frequently travel or shop internationally. Now let's address who this card is ideal for. The HDFC MoneyBack Credit Card is perfect for first-time credit card users or those who primarily shop online and want a simple reward system. However, if you're someone who travels often or spends significantly on luxury purchases, you might want to explore other options with more robust rewards programs and travel perks. In terms of customer service, HDFC is known for its wide reach and accessibility. You can easily manage your account through the HDFC net banking portal or their mobile app, which is a big plus for anyone looking for convenience. In summary, the HDFC MoneyBack Credit Card offers decent rewards for low to moderate spenders, especially if you stick to online shopping. However, it's crucial to keep an eye on the card fees, interest rates, and reward caps to ensure you're truly getting value from this card. If you think this card aligns with your financial habits, it could be a great addition to your wallet. Make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews on financial products. Hit that like button and let us know in the comments what card you'd like us to review next.